chỉ bay ule mani khanin tangent and normal kan zir to ta khanin slope of tangent le slope of normal chung chang te kan enta a ti chuan kan zir thuk le zawlanga tu na ta na chuan equation of tangent vel kan en ve thung don ani equation of tangent chu equation of tangent kan anti kan equation kan anti khan chuan in equal to manga express ang khani meita tangent le normal a kha ek jengin nge algebraic expression angin kan siam chuang ti kha zona ni ta ni chu mi siam choda na chu tu na ta na chon kan zero thung do na ni polynomial equation angin ek tiang angin nge kan siam ang ti kha kan en tur ani chu ti chuan previous knowledge lo wen tai langin a mai ning tinge kan lo hriat to kha kan en masaka ngai ta mani khanin slope of tangent le slope of normal chung chang kan ena ta chuan in kan ta hianin tangent kha x1 y1 a lo draw tai langin kan kar fa kha y equal to f of x alonita x1 y1 a tangent ni draw chon kan tangent khan angle theta siam ta sela kan tangent in angle theta siam chuan a slope chu dy by dx at x1 y1 tinita ne slope of tangent at x1 y1 chu dy by dx at x1 y1 tinita tiang che chuan normal line kha x1 y1 a lo draw tai langin kan normal ina slope siam chu -1 by dy by dx at x1 y1 ti khani ta ni he hi shred rang to rani thengel lo to rani slope of tangent chu dy by dx at x1 y1 slope of normal chu -1 by dy by dx at x1 y1 ani ti chuan equation of line lo en le tai langin tangent le normal te kha ming shanan va putta ka wang khanin thil dang dei anni na chung lo line ve thaw an ni ta ni line class 11 a line chung chang zir to a kha line a kha kan pan le tur thaw ni equation of line class 11 a kan zira khan chuan equation of line passing through point x1 y1 and having slope m is ti chung chang kan en ta point slope form point min pe a slope kan nei bok chuan ti hianin x1 y1 elo nei ta kan line khanin x1 y1 tan tlangin angle theta siam ta se ti chuan a slope chu m memo tan theta emo tin kan ziak don ani kan line khanin slope tan theta m ma siam chuan equation of line chu point slope form mangin point in ya slope in ei bok ta point le slope hriat chuan equation of line in ei theta chu y minus y1 equal to m multiplied by x minus x1 kha point slope form kan nei chani ta ni point slope form a chuan line equation is siam don chuan point pakhat hriat sai nei ta he hi chuan in a slope siam kha i hriat bok chuan equation of line chu y minus y1 equal to m into m multiplied by x minus x1 ani kha kan thengel lo tur ani kha equation a kha tangent siam nan kan mang don ani chuan equation of tangent and normal chung changa kan lut don ta tangent and normal kha line ve tho kan ti kha ti chuan px1 y1 a sonin tangent lo draw tai langin kan tangent khan angle theta siam ta sela slope of tangent chu dy by dx ani ve tho line a khan chon slope kha m kan tia tangent a chon dy by dx ani ve tho ani chu ti chuan in equation of tangent line at x1 y1 tur chu nge ni ta point slope form kan nei a khan y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 ti ni ta ta hian kan m hemi kan m a hi dy by dx ai ni don ni a slope a kha ani chon m ma ya hian dy by dx soida don tin ani mai ta ni chu ti chuan y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 multiplied by x minus x1 hi equation of tangent kan nei to ra chu point slope form thaw kha ni kan point chu x1 y1 te hinita a slope kha dy by dx tiang che chuan normal ve thong chu normal a kha a slope kha -1 by dy by dx ani ve thong don ta kan m mom na khan hi kan da ve le thunga y minus y1 equal to -1 by dy by dx at x1 y1 multiplied by x minus x1 ti khan equation of normal line le equation of tangent kan cheta ni chu ti chuan problem a kan lut theita kha mi patni kha kan hetilai tangent and normal because kan main engani kan fa hriat turbul pui berate chon ni ta ni slope zona kha kan main ki ni don ta chu min nuwa x1 le y1 a khai ria sa phei chuan a slope is dy by dx is on thiam chuan equation of tangent a kha som deuin is ong chuak thei tin ani chu lem problem a kal don tai langin find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to 2x cubed minus x squared plus 3 at 1 4 equation om zia lo en le phot tai langin 2x cubed minus x squared plus 3 kan ti ka chu hemi curve a hin ta ni tian curve kan lo nei ta 2x cubed minus x squared plus 3 chu ti chuan 1 4 kan ti hi khoilai mi nge ni ta 1 4 point chu ti lai hi lo ni le ta ni hemi a hian in tangent ni draw nga normally draw bokanga chu tangent le kan normal equation chu min zot ti na ni ta chon na china kan soi tong khan o tian tangent le normal lo draw tai langin tangent le normally draw a kan tangent khan point pakhat 1 4 atan tlang ta a point ni sa ta tangent equation jong tur chuan a slope che kan mamo to ni chu tiang che chon normal a po a point ni hriat sa to wangin a slope che kan mamo to le equation of tangent a kha equation of tangent at x1 y1 to y minus y1 dy by dx at x1 y1 multiplied by x minus x1 tin ya y1 chu ta hian y1 chu hemi 4 hi ni ta x1 chu 1 alo ni ta ta chu ni hriat lo chu dy by dx ei chau hi ni ta ni tiang che chuan equation of normal po y1 ni hresa a x1 ni hresa kan hriat tur chu dy by dx te hi hei kan zon tur chu ni ta ni chu le ti chuan dy by dx kha kan zon angai ta ni equation of tangent kan hria dy by dx kan zon chuanga ya differentiate don tai langin differentiating both sides with respect to x lo ti tai la ta hian dy by the y differentiate dy by dx 2x cube differentiate chuan in 2x cube differentiate don ta la hemi 2 hi constant ani wangin ila chuakanga x cube chawi differentiate ang ti chuan x cube differentiate chuan x power n angin nx to the power n minus 1 tin ya n to 3 3x power 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 to 2 ni mai ta 2 into 3x square tin ani don ni so 2 into 3 so 6 6x square hey 6x square lo nenga x square differentiate chuan 2x thang kha chu simple differentiation ane kan thiam tur angai tai langin chon dy by dx so 6x square minus 2x 3 hi chu constant ani wang ni differentiate chon 0 this one dy by dx hreta a at x1 y1 a kha zona ni wangin x1 y1 x1 y1 chu ta hian 1 4 hi ni ta x1 y1 x1 aya khan 1 y1 aya 4 xi hemi xi hian in 1 idanga ti chuan ange kan hu chu ta kang 6 into 1 square 2 into 1 tin ani don ta 6 into 1 to 6 minus 2 into 1 to 2 6 minus 2 to 4 tina le this one dy by dx at 1 4 to 4 ti khan in slope of tangent to 4 tin ani slope of normal to minus 1 by 4 tin ani ta ni hetilaya hian a equation a hian kan da lu thei ta kan ma mo zong zong hetilaya a equation a kan hriat lo zong zong te kan hriat ta ve ka wangin equation of tangent kan la thei ta ni chu le ti chuan equation of tangent at 1 4 chu enge ni tang le hemi formula tangin hemi 1 hi x1 ania 4 hi y1 y minus 4 tin ani don ta y1 aya hian hemi 4 hi danga x1 aya hian 1 hi danga dy by dx hemi aya hian 4 hi dang ti chuan nge kan nei ta kang y minus 4 equal to dy by dx at 1 4 x minus 1 ania chon dy by dx aya khan 4 kan da chuan y minus 4 equal to 4 into x minus 1 chon 4 in x minus 1 hi va multiply ta la ta hian 4 in x minus 1 hi va multiply ta la 4x 4 into minus 1 to minus 4 4x minus 4 an don da he minus 4 hi he tilama le lamai son phei chon minus 4 to plus 4 in a kal leng ti chuan minus 4 le plus 4 chu in cancel chuan y is equal to 4x kan dei ta ni kha equation of tangent chon ta ni chu le equation of normal kan en vele thunga equation of normal chu hi ni ta y1 to 4 ania x1 kha 3 ani ta dy by dx kha minus plus 4 ani bokta ta chon a value da lut tai lang equation of normal at 1 4 2 y minus 4 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at 1 4 x minus 1 ti chuan y minus 4 dy by dx value 4 da lut anga 4 hian in cross multiply ngai ta ni 4 yan tilam pang ron multiply la 4 into y to 4y 4 into minus 4 to minus 16 yang che chun minus 1 in tilam multiply ve bokang ti chuan 4 into y to 4y 4 4 16 minus 1 into x to minus x minus 1 into minus 1 to plus 1 4y minus 16 equal to minus x plus 1 ti chuan kan hriat tur chu right hand side ta hian negative fi kan nei tur ani lo ani pangaya chon mo kan nei pokha sual na omchong lo maro chu formalities a right hand side ta hian variable a negative nei lo tur ani left side ta poni tho chu wang chon minus x he tilamai ron son phei ngai ta minus x ron son phei chuan plus x chon 4y lo ni bokanga 16 hi lela mai son phei chuan minus 16 ka plus 16 1 plus 16 to 17 x plus 4y equal to 17 in ei don ta hi equation of normal achoni ta ni ti chuan equation of tangent chu 4x and equation of normal chu x plus 4y equal to 17 ani ta ni chu kha equation of tangent le normal achoni ta ni chu kan karfa khanin le tai langin hei ti hianin tangent ni ya hei normal ani bokta equation of tangent kha 4x kan ti ta tangent ka 4x hemi line kha equation la chu 4x in a line here teng che chuan normal kha x plus 4y equal to 17 tinita hemi line hemi phei hi x plus 4y equal to 17 tinan kha a figure atanga alandan chonita tangent le normal kha straight line ve thawan ni ti kha ria reng tur ani formula ang equation of tangent le equation of normal formula kha a than pa I va bai hat lut kher khangai chuang lawa I thil ria sa tang khan nangman isiam chop mai don ani le next question a kal le tai langin find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at the point where x is equal to 1 x equal to 1 tini ta ne x equal to 1 kan an ti chuan x equal to 1 point b ka khanin equation of tangent ngen yang tinani ta ama mi point a khan chon x1 y1 y min petelani tuna chon x1 chau min petinani ta he curve ing tin nge om ti kanen le lokang x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 chu heti hian a curve om ta hemi hi a curve kan nei ni ta hianin x equal to 1 kan an ti chuan heti lai hi x equal to 1 choni don ta ni ti chuan khami point a chang khanin perpendicular kan draw chawanga tilai point hi 1 in a corresponding point han nei kan curve nei na khanita ta chon y value hi zona ngai ta ni x1 in ya y1 in ve ngai sia y1 kha zona ni ta ni chu ti chuan y1 nei tur chuan hetilai point hi hemi curve omani wangin hemi curve omani wangin heng x zonga hianin x equal xi a hemi 1 value hi dalu tala ti chuan hemi y corresponding value ron chuak thei don ani x corresponding value y nei tur chuan xi a 1 ida vekang ani chuan xi 1 ida chuan 1 power 4 tan 1 ida chuan 1 cube anenga tan 1 ida chuan 1 square tan 1 ida chuan 10 into 1 no ti chuan 1 square minus 6 1 4 to 1 power 4 to 1 tinani meya 1 cube per 1 ani meya 1 square per 1 so 1 minus 6 plus 13 minus 10 plus 5 tinani ta plus so zong eta la 1 plus 13 to 14 plus 5 to 19 plus 19 in ya negative so zong minus 6 minus 10 to minus 16 19 minus 16 to 3 tina this one y value to 3 ni ta ni chu ani chuan hetilai point chu nge ni tang le kan point tur chu 1,3 x in 1 at lukhan y in 3 at lukha ti chuan 1,3 point a kan tangent a kha kan zon tur chu tinani chu ti chuan equation of tangent at 1 3 kha kan zong don ta a point kan nei to a enge kan hriat le ngai a slope kha kan hriat le photangai ni point slope form ani wangin wa slope kha chu dy by dx kha ni le mai ta ti chuan slope hre tur chuan hei hi kan differentiate angai ta ti chuan equation of tangent at x1 y1 kha y minus y1 dy by dx at x1 y1 x minus x1 tinita he dy by dx a slope a hi kan zon angai ta tiangin nge kan zon ta kang le ti chuan dy by dx zong tur chuan kan differentiate angai ta ni hemi equation o hemi hi differentiate don ta I differentiate chuan x power 4 to 4x cube a chho dan chu soi to lo meng 6x cube differentiate on x cube to 3x square and 6 into 3 to 18x square hemi differentiate na 13x square differentiate chon 2x ania 13 into 2 chu 26x minus 10x minus 10 ilanga x differentiate chon 1 5 chu differentiate chon 0 this one 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10 kan nei ta ni this one slope dy by dx at x1 y1 1 3 khakan zon tur ani ta dy by dx at 1 3 ta hian xi at 1 y om seng chuan 3 da tur ania y om lo wangin xi at 1 chau kan da this one dy by dx at 1 3 chu hem xi at 1 ni da chuan 4 into 1 cube 18 into 1 square 26 into 1 minus 10 te kan nei ta hemi value hi kan zon chuan 2 kan nei ta ni 4 plus ho jong plus la 4 plus 26 to 13 minus 18 minus 10 to minus 28 30 minus 28 to 2 this one dy by dx at 1 3 slope to 2 ani ta ni chu this one he tangent in a slope ani chu 2 a point to 1 3 ni ta equation of tangent kan nei thei ta this one equation of tangent at x1 y1 hemi a hian kan da lu don ani y1 kan ti kha chu y1 chu hi 3 ania hi 1 ania dy by dx ka 2 kan ti ta chu a value kan da lu ngai ta this one y minus 3 dy by dx at 2 x minus 1 this one 2 in hi va multiply chuan 2 in x multiply la 2 in 1 multiply ngai bok ta ani chuan y minus 3 equal to 2x minus 2 this one y is equal to minus 3 le la mai son thei chuan plus 3 ni don ta minus 2 plus 3 chu plus 1 he hi equation of tangent at 1 3 so ni ta ni chu require equation of tangent so y is equal to 2x plus 1 tikhan tuna chuan next question a kal le tai langin find the equation of tangent to the curve x square plus 2y is equal to 8 which is perpendicular to the line a problem kha danglam le hret ta ni hemi kan curve x square plus 2y is equal to 8 ki kan curve ani ta parabola ani a ki which is perpendicular to line chu chuanin line a perpendicular vele thung en tikin nge kan equation khaw ma kan curve khaw mang tian te lagin x square plus 2y is equal to 8 so hemi curve hi ni ta ni hemi hi x square plus 2y equal to 8 downward parabola khani ta this one x minus 2y plus 1 so hemi hi ni le ta ni hemi line hi hemi kan line x minus 2y plus 1 so hemi line hi ni a x square plus 2y equal to 8 so hemi parabola hi ni ta hemi downward parabola hi ta chuan min pek lok chu perpendicular to the line te ni ta hemi line perpendicular hian tangent kan draw don ta ni hetinan heti line point a hian in tangent lo draw ta lang chuan hei I'm perpendicular thei lo ni mo tingchi chuan heti line po draw ta line perpendicular thei don lo ni in perpendicular tur chuan heti lam panga hi chuan om thei lo sim te kha chiang ta heti lam panga tang hian heti dew mo hian draw ngai don ta perpendicular tur chuan chu in tiang in nge kan nei lang ti chuan perpendicular nei tur chuan hei heti lai hian om ngai ta ni 90 degree ka tilam panga chawum thei don ta ti chuan he line le kan tangent hi perpendicular don ta kan tangent kan draw na point a hi min kan hriat ma sak angai ni equation of tangent min jota equation of tangent a chuan point slope form ani kha hriat tur point hriat angai a slope hriat angai a point a chu hei hi lo ni ta hei hi zon chhuam ma sak angai ni chu point hriat ma sak angai ti chuan chumi point zong chuak tur chuan condition min pe a chu perpendicular ti khani le ta ni ti chuan in condition kan nei sa chu tangent is perpendicular to line te ni ta line le line in perpendicular chuan line le line in perpendicular chuan a slope product kha minus 1 kan ti ta ani chuan tangent po kha line thaw ani ta tangent le line in perpendicular chuan slope of tangent le slope of line product kha minus 1 ani don ani slope of tangent kan ti chu dy by dx ania slope of line chu m kan ti ta dy by dx into m kha minus 1 an don ni m hiang tiang atang ron kal nge ni kan en leng y is equal to mx plus c kha slope intercept form kan ti kha ni ta class 11 a hemi m a hi a slope of line chu ni ta ni ti chuan x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 hemi kan line atang hianin a slope kha m tur khai zon chungai dona chumi tur chuan y is equal to mx plus c form ai se mangai ta te tang hian y is equal to tingai ni chu 2y equal to x is on pay minus x, y is on pay minus 1 mo. And it's on minus 2 can cancel nga. 2y equal to x plus 1 and don't ta. 2 is on pay let's 1. Y is equal to 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2. This one hemi 1 by 2 he as slope at unitani. 1 by 2 key slope of line. M value to 1 by 2 nitani. So hemi m to 1 by 2. dy by dx 0 to hemi kan curve atang hian kan zon ai. Kan point zon tur om na curve atang khan. Le. Ti chuan in hey kan differentiate angai dy by dx kan zon angai wang khan. Ti chuan x square differentiate on 2x, 2y differentiate on 2y differentiate on dy by dx alo ni ta 2x le la mai son phe nga ya is 2x is on phe on minus 2x 2 le twin kan selanga minus x. This one dy by dx so minus x kan nei ta ni. Ti chuan slope of line kha 1 by 2 ti kha kan nei sa boka. Ti chuan hemi kan line slope chu minus kan tangent slope chu minus x ania hemi line slope chu 1 by 2 ni bok ta. Chuan I'm perpendicular tilai 90 degree kala wangin hemi multiply le hemi multiply hi minus 1 ani don ani perpendicular ani wang khan. Ti chuan since tangent is perpendicular to line ani wangin dy by dx into 1 by 2 is minus 1. dy by dx ka minus x kan tita. dy by dx ka minus x. Hi da lu ta mi value. Ti chuan minus minus ka plus ani don ta 2 is on phei chuan x is equal to 2 nei don. Ti chuan x value kha 2. He tilai kan point na x value chu 2 ani ta ni chu. Tilai point na chon x value ka 2 ni ta y value shet le ngai ta ni. Y ni nge tlukang. Y value se tur chon he point na hi hemi curve, hemi parabola omani wangin. Hemi parabola hian x value a 2 da lu tanga tatang chon y kan jong don ani. Ti chuan y value se turin put x equal to 2 in x square plus 2y equal to 8. Akhianin x value da lut ta la 2 square x value kha 2 ni vain tan 2 square lo nenga 2 square plus 2y equal to 8 ani chuan 2 square to 4 ani ta 2 square 4 ani son phei chuan 8 minus 4 to 4 2y equal to 14 an dona 2 i divide le chuan in 2 ma y is equal to 2 kan nei ta ni chu this one he tilai coordinate tur chu nge ni tang le kan coordinate tur chu 2,2 2,2 a khan tangent kan draw ti na ni ta ni chu chu bi point a chuan equation of tangent kan zong don ta ni chu le ti chuan equation of tangent at 2 2 chu y minus 2 equal to dy by dx at 2 2 x minus 2 ni don ta formula pa ngai mangin ti chuan equation of tangent chu y minus 2 equal to a slope kha minus 2 x value kha a slope kha dy by dx mi hi ni ta x aya khanin 2 kha x aya 2 da chuan minus 2 ti na ni dona ti chuan minus 2 x minus x1 chu 2 ma ti chuan minus 2 ni multiply chuan minus 2x plus 4 lo nenga ti khan minus 2x tilam panga hian minus om lo kan tur ani kan ti kha minus 2x ron son phei chuan 2x plus y minus 2 le la mai son phei ve thonga minus 2 plus 4 and don chu 6 ron son phei le chuan minus 6 this one 2 x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 kha equation of tangent are which the line tangent is perpendicular to the line kha ni ta ni chu khi kan tangent equation kan mamo chu ni ta ni ta hian he tiang chi ho condition nei chi ho wa chon enge condition min pe kha kan hriat chen angai ni ta hian perpendicular atia perpendicular chau lovin parallel te pon ron ti thei ta ni parallel ron ti ta se parallel to the line ati chonin akal dana kha danglam le don ani a slope khai ni equal vele thonga ting chi chuan perpendicular to x exist te poron ti theya parallel to x exist te poron ti thei ni a condition a zirzel kha ni chodana kha danglam anga ya chumi tur chuan tangent kaldan phunga ma pon slope kan lo zir to khamo a slope kha engtengin nge omang ti la ya kha i hriat chian nga ya choni ta ni a question ina min bum ti lo na tur chuan condition engtenge kan nei thei ti te kan hriat anga tin awam dana kha kan va visualize thiam ngai bokani next question kal le tai langin show that the curve x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut at right angles if 8k square is equal to 1 curve patni x is equal to y square xy is equal to k hi right angle angina in cut ani if 8k square equal to 1 8k square equal to 1 ani chuan right angle angina in cut tikha kan prove to ranita le ek tengin nge a curve yom kan la phot tai langin x is equal to y square chu right handed parabola khani mai ta ti hian kalta xy equal to k ve thung chu ti hian xy is equal to k curve chu ti hian kan de vele thung ta ne chu chu mun khata ida ko pangai ta mun khata lo da tai langin ti hianin in tona tilai hian lo nei ta ne ta hian in kat ta ni chu khi bị point khian anin kat ta tilai point hian in kat ta curve pahni in kat na lai point chu ektegin nge kan zom chuang lo ti tai lang chuan hemi pahni hi equation pahni kan solve chuan tilai in kat na point hi kan zong chuak thei don ani chuan kan proof tu rakha right angle angin in kat ani ti proof tu rani ta right angle in kat om zia chu nge nia ektegin nge right angle angin in kat ti kan hriat theiang curve chu tian akula tian akwal ve kha ektegin nge right angle angin in katang right angle in kat tur chuan eng bangin nge kan tiang kan ti chuan atan jene chang thawin ni ti chuan in kat chuan point pakhat in kat ta chuan right angle anga in kat chuan a point a khanin atan jen pani te kha in perpendicular tur tinani ta tangent pahni in perpendicular tur chuan khami point a slope ate kha line in perpendicular chuan a slope product kha -1 kan ti kha heti lai point a tangent pahni draw ve taila khami point a slope kha -1 ani product kha -1 ani ti kha kan show tur ani ta kan nei tur ani ta ni chu ti chuan a slope fe tur chuan a point a kha kan hriat masa ka nga ya point sam hatur masa tur chuan hemi pahni hi kan solve anga ani kan solve anga solving 1 and 2 kan tianga ti chuan hemi xi a hian x equal to y square ania y hi ta hian la thataila y square into y chu y cube an don ta y cube is equal to k ni don ta ni chuan y is equal to cube root of k power 3 ti bo chuan le lama cube root of k ni don ta y is equal to cube root of k khami point a kan y value chu kan theta photani x value kan hriat lengai x value hre tur chuan heti lai y a hian y value cube root of k da lu tai langin ani chuan x equal to cube root of k square tin ani don ta ani chuan x so k to the power 2 by 3 y is equal to cube root of k kan tia y a khan hemi cube root of k da chuan he power 2 ni wangin cube root om zia chu power 1 by 3 tin ania 2 into 1 by 3 so 2 by 3 tin ani chuan x kha k to the power 2 by 3 ti chuan kan coordinate heti lai kan coordinate chu k power 2 by 3 le cube root of k ni ta ni chu ti chuan a in kat na lai point chu kan hreta tin ani chu curve pahni te in kat na lai point chu k power 2 by 3 le cube root of k tin ani ta ni le ti chuan kha point a khanin kha point a khan 90 degree kat awangin tangent kan draw nga ta hian kan tangent te kha 90 degree in kat angai wangin 90 degree in kat angai wangin 90 degree in kat tur chuan a slope te kha a product -1 ani nga ya chumi tur chuan a slope kan zon angai ni kan tangent slope zong tur chuan dy by dx kha curve atanga tangent slope ani ta ti chuan x equal to y square hi differentiate anga xy equal to k differentiate bok angai ta x equal to y square differentiate chuan x differentiate chuan 1 y square chu 2y y differentiate le chuan dy by dx xy equal to k differentiate chuan product rule man angai ta x into y multiply ni wangin y x la chok la y differentiate chuan dy by dx plus y la chok anga x differentiate chuan 1 x dy by dx plus y equal to 0 ni don ta ni chu ti chuan ta tang hian dy by dx equal to 2y hi 1 lamai son phei chuan 1 by 2y ta hian y hi son phei chuan -y ni don a x hi son phei chuan in -y by x x ha noi lama kal don ti chuan dy by dx 1 by 2y le ta tangin dy by dx -y by x ani ta ti chuan tangent pahni te kha a in perpendicular wangin slope of tangent to the curve te kha x equal to y square a khan 1 by 2y le slope of tangent to the curve xy equal to k kha -y by x ania in perpendicular turan ni wangin a slope product kha -1 ani ngai ni since the two curve x equal to y square and xy equal to k cut at right angle ni wangin there if and only if kan panangai wa if and only if kan panga kan curve pahni te kan tangent te kha right angle angai kat tur chuan tangent te khan perpendicular ani khatiang che khan tangent in perpendicular chuan curve pani te kha right angle angin in cut tina ni ta ti chuan tangent in perpendicular chuan slope product kha minus 1 an doni slope pakhat chu 1 by 2y pakhat chu minus y by x khami product kha minus 1 ta hian y le y in cancel anga ani chuan 2x in ei don ta 2x le lamai son phei chuan 2x is equal to 1 ani don ni minus 1 le 1 hi kan cancel the boka 2x le lamai son phei nga 2x is equal to 1 ti chuan x value kha lowen le tai langin heta hianin x chu k to the power 2 by 3 nei ta khami value kha ta hianin dalu tai langin hemi x a hian 2x is equal to 1 a khan x a ya k to the power 2 by 3 da tai langin x a ya k to the power 2 by 3 da ta ti chuan cubing both side kan tiang hetilaya a power fraction power 3 om ti bo tur chuan power 3 kha both side ai da ngai ta cubing both side ti chuan 2 cube le k power 2 by 3 power 3 equal to 1 cube tina lo ni don ta 2 cube chu 8 lo ni nga ta hian 3 le 3 cancel anga ti chuan 8k square is equal to 1 2 cube kha 8 ani nga k square tan la chuang nga 1 cube is equal to 1 ti chuan 8k square is equal to 1 kan proof tu ra kha kan ta ni chu ti khanin kan curve pahni te ta hian kan hriat chian tur chu curve pahni te kha cut at right angle ni tur chuan tangent te kha ain perpendicular tur ani tangent panin perpendicular chuan slope product kha minus 1 ani tur ani tilaya kha kan wangai tu thlen masaka ngai ta slope kan zong don chuan slope kha chu dy by dx kha ne mai ta dy by dx kha izon ve ve photangai ni dy by dx izong ve ve nga kan curve pani changen he kan curve pani ni ta tan kan dy by dx izong ve ve nga amai ro chu khoi point cut ta ti wangin ain cut ta wang khanin kha point na kha kan ba zon chuangai le ta kha point anin cut na lai point right angle anga ain cut na lai point na kha 90 degree cut na lai point na kha zong chuak tur chuan equation 1 le 2 te kha I solve lenga ta chang chuan point coordinate ain cut na lai point zong chuak ta kha point na khanin condition kan ron kan nei chuata ka in perpendicular awanga condition ron chuak 2x equal to 1 a khan a value kan dalu khan kan mamo 8k square is equal to 1 kha kan nei ta ni ti khan khami china kha ani le ta next a chuanin increasing and decreasing kan ziranga kan soi tuang khan kan thil zira kha kan va visualize thayangai kan ti kha equation of tangent le normal te kha formula kha a ran pai by hat lut lutangai chung lo dy by dx to slope ti kha ni mai ta tek che chuan tangent le tangent ai perpendicular chuan a slope product kha minus 1 ani tangent le tangent ai parallel chuan a slope te kha in equal ang kan tangent in x axis a parallel chuan a slope kha 0 dy by dx equal to 0 tina kan tangent in a y axis a parallel a x axis a perpendicular chuan a slope kha infinity ni khang te kha kan hriat chian ngai ten ni